Hey everybody, welcome back to Durbin's Bourbon. I'm Joe.
And I'm Josh.
We're doing another cocktail series. Right now, this is the Whiskey Sour. We have two. The comparison is, do you make it from scratch with all fresh ingredients, or do you buy the store-bought stuff that's out there and been around for years? I cut my teeth on the Whiskey Sour when I was younger, and I drank it with the commercially made sour mix. I hated it. I thought all whiskey sours were terrible. Therefore, I didn't drink them for 10 years or more. Got back into the cocktail scene. Started really researching how to make quality cocktails. Get my bar rag off my shoulder here. And I discovered the true... The dogs are running around on the wood floor. Of course... Blue's a little spunky today because we used real ingredients for our whiskey sours, which was a egg yolk. He gets to eat the yolk. We use the white for the sour. So, I digress. Let's go back. The one on the outside that is kind of a yellowish, translucent color is the bar mix sour that you can buy in all the stores, commercially, liquor stores, hell, probably...
Yeah, probably anywhere.
You can buy it anywhere. Yeah. Kmart, whatever. Well, Kmart.
Is Kmart around still?
There is. There's 4 Kmarts left in the United States.
Only you would know that.
Sad
Bunch of useless information up there.
I love Kmart. I know. But anyway.
Blue Light Special, baby.
That's right. Some of you will know what we're talking about. So the 2 outside glasses are made with the commercial sour mix. You have to add a whiskey of your choice, be it a bourbon or a rye. We chose the standard rye whiskey, Rittenhouse Rye, great rye whiskey, very characteristic. It is a bottle and bond whiskey, so there's a whole host of things that go along making it that quality spirit. It is 100 proof. The sour mix was like $7.95 for that big old jug of stuff.
The sour too calls for, it's only 1 ounce of whiskey and 4 ounces of the sour mix.
Wow.
I feel like it'd be like 2 and 4 maybe.
Yeah.
So this is probably going to be pretty, we wanted to make it exactly how the label says.
Right.
To compare them. So.
Right. So Josh made the commercial sour mix while I was making the traditional old school handcrafted mix. With those, it is an ounce and a half of whiskey, rye, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, fresh squeezed. There's my proof. There's the rest of that big old giant lemon. Josh picked up lemons this morning at the store.
No big deal.
So we could have this be true to nature. A egg white and your simple sour, your simple mix, your simple sugar. And it was 3/4. Super easy recipe. 3/4 lemon, 3/4 simple, ounce and a half of whiskey. You dry shake it in your tin. So you shake it dry, meaning no ice to start with. And then you finish it with ice. Then you shake it, strain it into your glass. These are Copatilla glasses. I can never pronounce it. Little fancier glasses for y'all so you could tell the difference. And a nice little lemon strand in there. It's all about presentation.
Yeah.
So
I know we like those. So
correct.
I'm interested to see. I feel like this is going to be like Gatorade.
I think so. It smelled like Gatorade.
4 ounces to 1 ounce. That's
yeah.
Don't smell any whiskey in it.
So really what this is about, is it worth buying the sour mix and just having it at the easiest level you can possibly do? Anybody can make it. Yeah. Here's your ingredients. Mix it together. He poured it over ice, which is how it says to do it. Yeah. Or craft your cocktail by hand with fresh ingredients.
Yep. Let's try it.
Let's give it a whirl. Cheers. Cheers, everybody. It sure is lemony.
Sure is tart. It's not bad.
No, it's not.
I much prefer a little more whiskey in it.
Yeah, I can't taste the whiskey.
A little splash.
You could. I cannot taste.
I don't want to put too much. Give me that little.
Oh, yeah. There you go. I cannot taste any whiskey in this. I taste the sour mix, and it's got all kinds of chemicals and stuff in there. Josh is spiking his.
I'm just doing a quarter ounce more.
He put a quarter ounce, so
just to see
if that brought it up to.
It's just so lemon. It's
par.
Just, again, it does. It tastes like lemonade.
Yeah.
I want my drink to taste like a drink.
And you know, a lot of y'all that follow the channel and have been following us for years, thank you very much. Y'all enjoy your cocktails with some character to it. You drink your products neat. You're getting into the cocktail scene, mixing them, so you want that flavor, be it bourbon or rye. You want that to be present in your cocktail. You just don't want a glass of Gatorade.
Yeah. I would say that putting a little bit of extra whiskey in there took a little more of that lemon sourness out, but I still can't taste the bourbon. So
I will say it's not as bad as I remembered. I'm gonna have to be totally honest.
It's refreshing. It tastes like lemonade.
I'm not gonna throw that out after this video
because I make other stuff.
I really prepared to throw it out.
Oh, yes,
so we're gonna go on
the one we know we like,
and so y'all can see that froth on the top. That is from the egg white,
sour
right? It's nice and thick. It's got that cloudy characteristic. The froth on the top is the egg white.
Made with real lemon.
Cheers. Made with fresh lemon. Cheers, everybody.
Ah.
Holy cow.
Man, that's good.
That gives me goosebumps.
I'm going for another.
That's a totally different experience. It really is.
I could see the resemblance because of the lemon.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah.
God, that's good. Good job, dude.
Thanks, buddy. Yeah, it's truly a night and day difference. The similarities, like Josh said.
And you taste that one. It's not gross. It's just so lemony.
Yeah.
It's better than I thought, though.
It's pretty gross. It's way better than I remembered. Yeah. I threw up copious amounts of that. So
you're such a puker.
It is true, but it's way better than I thought.
Yeah.
It doesn't compare.
I'd almost do at least 2 ounces to 4 ounces.
2 to 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet that's probably
at least accurate. I might even do more. I don't know.
Yeah,
maybe get that
maybe
lemony.
3 to 2. 3 ounces
of 2.
Strong
drink.
But then you're
or just do less, or just do 1 ounce and 2 ounces of this. If you want a smaller drink,
ounce and a half of whiskey.
Because it says to pour it in a 10-ounce glass, the 1 ounce to 4. So with ice,
6 ounces.
Yeah.
But that's 5 ounces. Glasses.
Yeah. Well, 10-ounce glass with ice, you fill it up and then it'll melt.
So it's like a sour highball.
Yeah, basically.
It's not. I'm pleased. It did not.
Yeah.
It wasn't nearly as terrible as I expected.
If you're new to the game and you want a whiskey sour, that's not.
And you don't want people out there are kind of sketched out by the fact of using an egg white in your drink.
Oh, it's so good.
I've said that, and in past videos, if y'all want to see, you can go back and see our whiskey sour videos where we talk about how to make the whiskey sour. The egg white is an emulsifier. It also gives the drink body and character and a smooth, creamy feel to it, to where when you're drinking it, it's
Love a creamy feel.
It's just it's a full experience where your regular sour mixes don't have that depth of character.
That's so good.
Boy, that is tasty.
It's 10 times better than that one.
It really is. I mean,
but again, that's not bad.
It's not bad. It's like you're driving a VW Beetle and you jump up to a Lamborghini.
Oh. Car reference.
Or you're driving a Toyota.
Toyotito.
You want to drive a Chevy.
Yeah, I don't know.
A Merc. I'm a Chevy guy. I love Chevys.
The first one was better.
The first one was better. I was trying to.
Toyota was a pretty reliable vehicle.
It is. They last forever.
Toyota was probably a bad choice compared to Chevy.
A Peugeot.
I like Chevys too.
And a Chevy. Peugeot.
What about Le Car?
Oh, there you go. Le Car, Chevy.
Youngsters out there probably don't remember those.
Probably not. There's a good one.
You can
Le Car, Chevy. I'm going to go back and try this. Boy, that is lemony. It's not terrible though.
Yeah.
But it's just not.
Yeah, it's not
the same. There's a base. You can tell there's lemon. That's it.
Right.
It's just, yeah. So there you have it. That Barmaid is the company that made this one. It's Barmaid Ready to Use Bar Sour
Boise,
Mix.
Idaho.
Made in Boise, Idaho. Go figure.
Great base of it.
It's not made with potatoes.
And there's so many makers of this that
Right.
are probably all comparable, I would imagine.
I'm sure. $7.95 for that entire bottle. Rittenhouse Rye is coming in at you under $30 a fifth. If you can get it, $25-$26 for a bottle and bond rye, you can't
Usually
beat
like
it.
15,
It
remember?
did, yes, when it had a different label and everything. It is a great, solid rye. It can make a great Manhattan, great whiskey sour, really good old-fashioned. It's just a versatile rye whiskey that's just
delightful. You can drink it neat, too.
It's a great whiskey. So that's why we chose it, because we were mixing it with something we had no idea. It's got chemicals and all that stuff in it. We wanted a good, big, bold, 100 proof bottle and bond product that can fight with all those weird chemicals. Yeah. Not bad. The traditional standard whiskey sour.
Much better.
I think you just can't go wrong with classic handmade cocktails. You
There's
really
care
can't.
into it and the ingredients. Like this has, I mean, there's 50 ingredients in there. Yellow, number 5, all that stuff. So just doing, that had 3-4 ingredients in it?
What do we got here? We got rye whiskey, pure product.
Pure.
Chicken egg. They weren't organic. I'm sorry. Chicken egg. Fresh lemon.
Simple syrup.
Simple syrup.
And a shaker.
Booyah. It's done.
Booyah.
It's that simple. It's really that simple. It's a pure ingredient for the pure bodies.
And we just got an 80s flashback. Booyah.
Booyah.
All right.
So anyway, we hope you're enjoying our shows. Please hit that thumbs up. Give us some comments down below. I love reading them. They crack me up. And some of the comments are amazingly. You guys comment on keep the content coming. We love it. I look forward to your videos every week. We do put videos out every single Saturday, so y'all can stay informed and just get a chuckle at two goofy guys drinking whiskey, rums, making cocktails, product reviews, whatever hits us. And please hit that subscribe button. It helps us grow as a channel. The only revenue we get from this is AdSense, and it helps us buy bottles in the future or stuff like this to try without hitting us in our pocketbooks, because we ain't wealthy.
Obviously.
Yeah.
I'm
wearing, those poor people clothes. And I love them. They're super comfortable.
Don't go on a tangent about those.
Okay,
People...
you shot me down right
knew it was
there. I was getting ready to go down that path.
Pockets everywhere.
Mm-hmm. I got nothing else, buddy.
Me either, nope.
As always, enjoy your whiskeys and bourbons any way you like. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, buddy. Boy, that's good.
That is so good.
That is good.
That.
Mm-hmm.